W Marriott. Hi. Yes. Oh, this is real cute. This is like the bar area, really snazzy. We are in the NOLA. But the rooms are pretty decent too. But everything is a whole bunch of stuff everywhere, so I'm not gonna even record. Cute little Brazilian brunch. I am so excited to taste the food here. Like, is it gonna still? Okay, good. I was about to say, is it gonna still record? But I'm so excited to taste the food here. I should have put these on when we were taking our shots because everyone has their glasses on. But, you know, whatever. Gonna find something to eat. I don't know where we're gonna eat at. I was asking, like, on my, I don't know where I'm looking. On my ride here over. But on the plane, I sat next to a local here, and also in my Lyft, I sat next to a local, so I was asking them like all the food spots down here. So I got some good recommendations. I got Melba's, Oceana's. I've seen an ad for Willie's. Yeah, it was a whole bunch of places. So I'm scared to try this. What is it called? A hand grenade. People telling me everyone got messed up off of that drink, so I'm a little nervous to try it, but we'll see how it goes.
We have to go like another block and then down and then this burger.
Well, this is still cute though. Dang, it's hot as fuck.
It is. It's humid.
Humid as fuck. I love like this architecture.
The air be cleaner. I feel like it's humid, but it's like cleaner. Here?
Beans and rice. You got the same thing? I got crawfish etouffee. What you get? Crawfish pasta. Ooh, that looks so yummy. We're trying hand grenades.
We got.
What? I'm sipping this shit. I ain't trying to get fucked up. I'm sipping it though. Oh, this lighting was better this way. But this is Bourbon Street at night. It's not like that lovely, but it's still like I can't.
No, we'll do one and one.
Alright.
Two, but we'll do the two. Come on.
Go ahead. Take it. So we're day 2 of being in the NOLA. I always stare up and not in the camera. Anywho, so yesterday after we came from Bourbon Street, we went to Bourbon Street early as fuck. So we left and got changed, and where did we go after we got changed? We went back to Bourbon Street? Yeah. We went back to Bourbon Street around like 8 or something, but it was still early as fuck. So we said, we got a drink, we got a hand grenade. No one felt that shit besides Angel. Because she had all that extra shit. But after that, we left and we was asking some locals like, where else should we go to? And this girl, what was the club again? Hangover? Oh, this girl recommended to go to the Hangover Club or something. We got there, that shit was dead as fuck. So we didn't know where else to go. Well, someone told me about Frenchman Street. So we went to Frenchman Street, but all it was there was just shopping and like some bars. It wasn't like really lively as we would have hoped. So then we went back to Bourbon Street, and Bourbon Street was a little bit more lively than it was. So I would definitely suggest going there around 10, but we're gonna try to go back there today.
Around 11?
Yeah, around 11. And I think like on the actual weekend it's probably like more popping. So yeah, after that we left Frenchman Street, we went back to Bourbon Street, and then we stayed there for a little bit, and then we just night capped it. So now it's day 2 and we're getting breakfast. Yeah, none of y'all. So we're getting breakfast at this place called Jimmy J's. At Jimmy J's now. Now we're walking there, so we'll see how this food tastes. Alright, so we're experiencing the cemetery today. I definitely didn't know they get buried above ground, so this is pretty interesting. This girl is praying over here.
You recorded me.
Yes, yes I did. Say about I already said that. I have to say about Cafe du Monde. The hike. All the reviews I looked on, they were like, oh, like that's the best place you gotta go. You have to check it out. Overhyped. It's basically funnel cake. If you know what a funnel cake is, that's all it is. It's just a different shape. Like, I don't know. I mean, it was still good, but it was a funnel cake. We're about to catch the trolley. Well, I don't know what we're about to be doing. Alright, who first getting on? This is kind of what the inside looks like. Almost like a bus. And we're riding through the Garden District right now.
Yeah, who rat shit, huh? With my who rat friends, ayy. Everywhere we go, ayy. We be drinking.
I feel like I need to get more of like the architecture and stuff. I love like these buildings. Oh, this is where we're going to eat right now. Acme Oyster House. So we'll see how this is. About to leave and go to where? Hangover Bar?
And bourbon. Like, we about to be lit. This is
all I fit.
Ooh, hold on, y'all want to get into my fit?
Fit. Okay, what y'all looking like? Fits. Okay.
Ooh, it's giving. Nola, baby.
Yeah, I can't bring my camera, but peace. Yesterday was a situation. Like, we got too lit on Bourbon Street, like too lit. And then we went back to that one place the Hangover Bar. That shit was still whack. It was no one in there. People was saying, oh, it's gonna be lit, it's gonna be lit. It was not no one in there. but Bourbon Street got us yesterday. Definitely go to Bourbon Street on Fridays. That is the move. Fridays like around 10, 11, that definitely be lit. But yeah, we got so tore up. But it was fun nonetheless. And today is the concert day. I need to put on some lip gloss. I won't be able to bring my camera along, but you know, it's okay. It said no videography or anything, so I guess my phone will have to do, and I will insert clips and shit in it, so.
From New Orleans and you came out here for this shit, make some noise. I fucking love you, I fucking love you, I fucking love you. Before I go any further, please make some noise for everyone who touched this fucking stage tonight. Please.